July 17th, 2026. Then I got a call from a lady last night that a second floor toilet was backing up, wouldn't go down. And I got a call for her this morning that it's going down now, but when she flushes, it's spitting back at her. So what I think's happening is she got a partially blocked toilet there, maybe. Go over there and probably gonna have to snake it. I run my snake down in there and see what's going on. She was on I've dealt with her before. One of these ladies that, you know, calls you to do the job, and then when you give her the bill, she complains about the bill. I've had that happen to me a bunch of times with her, but she still calls me back for more abuse. Call me back for more abuse here. Yeah. My rates just went up. Anyway, we'll get the shitter cam set up over there, and I know it's flushing because I was talking to her husband there, and I heard him flush the toilet. It sounded like it went down. He said every other time it spits at him. Like a llama, they'll be spitting at you. Come over the fence, they'll be spitting at you from across the way on the other side of the fence. I don't see nothing wrong there, but I'll run my snake down there, see if there's anything stuck in there.
I appreciate you coming out.
You didn't drop nothing down there, right? No.
Not that we know.
That you know of? There we go. Might have been something in there. It's just the very end, it seems a little. We'll have to put some paper in there and flush it and see what happens. Not easy. That's a true test. You put some paper in there. If there's something stuck in there, it'll get fetched up. Sometimes what happens is, have you take the cover off of this thing and played around with the?
I did.
Yep, there's our problem right there.
What? There was something wrong.
Our overflow tube is not inside where it needs to be.
Oh.
So what's happening is you don't have enough water in this thing.
Oh.
So when you flush it, there's not enough water in there to do the proper flush.
Oh.
So now that after I flush it, it's going to fill the overflow tubes in there. It's going to put the proper amount of water in here, so the next time you'll flush properly.
Okay.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Will it work now?
Well, I mean, now that I got the tube in there, let's give it a flush and let's fill it and see. What the hell's going on? You got hemorrhoids scratching your ass over there? Huh?
Had a colonoscopy, so I had to use the bathroom a lot.
Oh, all right.
That's a very personal question you asked me.
Well, I see you over there scratching. It's like, what the hell's going on here? I gotta watch out for it. I don't know. They give you that calcium citrate stuff.
Yeah.
Be shitting for a week.
Oh, not good.
I gotta get that done too, the colonoscopy.
Oh.
I do it every 10 years or so, you know?
Oh, okay.
Not easy, huh?
No.
I'm still constipated now.
Oh my God. Walking around gingerly, huh?
Yeah.
So what?
Gotta make us some soup. Alright, we're gonna see how it flushes.
Okay.
So the piece wasn't where it was supposed to be?
No, there's an overflow tube that goes inside the flush valve. So when it fills, the proper water level comes up in the toilet here.
Okay.
If you don't have that in there properly, when you flush it, the water level will stay low.
Okay.
As it's filling, it's dumping water in the overflow tube as it's filling the toilet and raising this water level up. See where the water level is now?
Yeah.
Before it wasn't that high, it was
No.
low.
Yeah.
So now it shouldn't splash because we got the proper water level in there. See how it flushed?
Yeah.
So you did tell me you got constipation. That's probably why it was blocked, the toilet.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well,
Well, what can I do about it? Nothing, right?
nothing right now.
Unfortunately.
Yeah. Yesterday, what happened was.
So now the toilet's filling. There's water going in the overflow tube and raising this water level up. See the water level coming up?
Yeah.
So when it shuts off, there'll be the proper water level in here. So next time it'll flush properly. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Yesterday, what happened was I just put some
See it? See the water
toilet
level?
paper.
Yeah.
And it didn't flush, and I lifted that, and it wasn't filling.
Well, don't forget she's got constipation. She just said so.
Yeah.
You get hot. You're trying to flush bricks down there,
Okay.
right? And then it gets stuck.
Okay.
But there's nothing in there. I just snaked it. So
Yeah.
that's all I could do. I mean, the constipation thing is not a good thing. Obviously, it's not. It's not. You have to do something about that. I don't know.
Stools were just for nowadays.
We hope not.
Hope not. So we're right where we need to be with the fill. It's down about ½ an inch down from where it needs to be. That's it. That's the fill line. If you got constipation, you call me with a blocked toilet. I mean, I can't guarantee that that's not going to happen. You got to do something with some fiber.
I am. I'm
You know?
taking all kinds of medication.
And you're still having a problem. Are you on a GLP-1 stuff?
Ooh.
No?
I'm on that
Marilax
Miralax and
and easy,
Benefiber.
yeah, easy fiber from CBS.
Yeah. And does it seem to help? No?
A little bit.
Yeah, so the lady's got a bad case of constipation where she's really backed up and in a lot of pain and shitting flipping bricks out, you know, and blocking the toilet. And then he wants to know how long is this going to last before it gets blocked again. It's like, I don't know, lady. You gotta try to get your constipation issue straightened out. So I tried to direct her in the right direction on what to do and who to look up and try to get something going on. You know, she's seeing doctors for this stuff. They keep giving her more fiber, and she's got all kinds of bloating and scratching her ass over there, trying to hang on to her ass, and it's like, holy shit, what a flipping nightmare from hell for her. Told her she's on her own. She got to do her own research and figure out what the hell's going on. It all starts in the gut. You know, you got the wrong bacteria. Got the wrong bacteria in her gut, and you got a motility issue with your colon, and it's a mess. Nothing like a good shit every day, you know. Then you know you're healthy. Get a good slider come out every day, and you're going regularly. Then you know you're on a good path to being healthy. You don't shit for 4 days. 4 or 5 days, and you're shitting out a flipping brick from hell. That's not healthy. And she's blaming me for the toilet getting blocked. Not my fault. The doctor tells her to take more fiber. More fiber is not going to help. It's just gonna, you got to block it. Just gonna get more of a backup. a tricky one. Gonna be a counselor, gonna be a plumber, a counselor, and advocate at the same time. Spiritual director. Holistic doctor. A plumber. Mechanic. Gotta wear a lot of hats here.